Welcome to your guided meditation for the full moon. I'm so glad you decided to meditate today and channel in this beautiful, powerful, transformative energy of the full moon. There's a free full moon breathwork journal linked in the description if you'd like to use it to support your journey today. You can set your intentions and reflect after you do the practice. The full moon energy is about reflection and release. And just like the full moon in the night sky, it lights up everything. It illuminates the entire night sky. And in the same way, it's also asking us to illuminate our lives as well. It's asking us to reflect what is working and also what's not working out so hot. And so what are the things that you are ready to release at this time in your life? And what is it that you're not going to take into the next month? This reflection process can be whatever you want it to be. It could be something that you're letting go of, a thought, a pattern, a habit, a situation, maybe it's a person. It could be a way of being or a way of showing up or a way of communicating. Whatever it is for you, tune into the energy of what you'd love to release with this full moon energy tonight. What are you working on letting go of? What is it that you're committing to release? As you're holding this intention in your heart, we're going to be practicing a 3-part breath today, breathing deeply into our belly, into our chest, and then exhaling, done all in and out through the mouth. For the first breath, you'll take into your belly and feel your belly puff up. The second breath, you'll pull this air all the way up to your chest and feel it puff up, and then exhale out your mouth. It'll sound like this. As you find your space to practice today, whether you're seated or laying down, begin to relax your body. Relax your face and your shoulders, your back, your chest. Relax your belly and your thighs. Relax down your legs. Relax. Start with your breath. Relaxing your face, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your back. Really staying with this 3-part breath, breathing deeply into your belly, deeply into your chest, and exhaling fully. Really signaling to your body that you are letting go. You're letting go. You're releasing. And it's pretty common during the full moon to feel old things come up, because this reflection period is really about illuminating things in your life, both the goods and the bads and everything in between. So oftentimes you'll feel the old stories coming back up, the old thoughts, the old circumstances, the old situations. They are here for you again. And instead of letting it kind of take us for a ride, the full moon energy is here to remind you that you get to transmute this information. Take from it what is useful to you. Take the lessons, take the messages, and let go anything else that is just extra. Let go of the stories, let go of the situations, let go of the circumstances that just don't serve you anymore. Letting every exhale be a new opportunity for you to let go and release. Really commit to it. Maybe make a sound, hear yourself sigh, and out. And where is there space to improve? This full moon energy is illuminating you. It's reflecting something that already exists within you. So maybe there's something within you that you'd like to change or shift or adapt a little bit differently. How can we show up in a different way? How can we respond in a different way? How can we adapt a different mindset? And as you tune into this deep energy within yourself, go ahead and take a deep breath in and hold this breath at the top. Hold. Hold. And exhale out your mouth. Release, surrender, let go. 2 more, just like that. Big, deep breath in. Pulling this air all the way up and hold this breath at the top. Hold. Exhale, let go. Last one, just like that. Big, deep breath into your belly, deep breath into your chest. Hold this air all the way up through your face, through to the top of your head, and hold this energy here. Hold. Hold. Exhale, let go. And as you get to the bottom of this breath, go ahead and hold your breath here. Coming back to your regular breath, breathing in and out through your nose or use your mouth, whatever feels nice for you. And while you're here, bring your palms to your lap or by you, next to you, wherever feels right for you, and surround yourself in a golden light, envisioning this light coming from the moon. This full moon energy engulfing your entire body, your head, your face, your throat, your shoulders, your back, your chest, all the way down your arms, your forearms to your fingertips, down your belly, your legs, down your feet. This beautiful golden white light. Breathing. And as you're surrounded by this glorious full moon light, what has been reflected in you or upon you recently? What has shown up for you? What are you ready to release? What is the part you will play? Your mouth, make a sound. 2 more. Big deep breath in. breath in. Filling up all the way, holding this breath at the top. And exhale, let go. As you release more through this full moon energy, I highly recommend that you journal or do some type of reflection upon what it is that you are releasing. How are you making a commitment to yourself to show up differently or think differently or be differently or adjust, things in your life just a little bit differently? There's a free full moon guided meditation journal linked in the description. If you want to grab it, there's reflection questions that are really amazing to work through with the full moon. And friends, save this video so you can come back to this meditation every single month and be in the practice of reflection and release. And let me know in the comments, what is it that you're releasing? I'm going to hold you accountable to that. So what is it that you're releasing? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, I will catch you soon.